For any square matrix A, which of the following matrix is not Hermitian? Right. So, one by one we can do. Not Hermitian means, if this is Hermitian means, what is? If a matrix Hermitian means A dagger is equal to A. So, let us check. A plus A dagger, whole dagger is equal to, right, that is equal to, A dagger plus A dagger whole dagger, that is A only. So, A plus A dagger whole dagger is equal to A dagger plus A. So, the same we got. That means C dagger is equal to C we got. If A plus A dagger you take as C, then C dagger is equal to C means this is Hermitian. But question is not Hermitian, which is not Hermitian. Now check this. A dagger, whole dagger. Then first take second element A dagger, whole dagger into A dagger. That means A into A dagger. We got the same. C dagger is equal to C we got. So this is also Hermitian. Now A dagger A, whole dagger you calculate. Then A dagger into this dagger into first element A dagger, whole dagger. Then A dagger A. Then same matrix you got, right? That means this is also Hermitian. Now check this one. A dagger minus A whole dagger is equal to A dagger whole dagger minus A dagger. This is A minus A dagger, right? Then that is equal to minus of A dagger minus A. That means if it is C dagger is equal to minus C. Finally we end with minus C. That means A dagger is equal to A only Hermitian. A dagger is equal to minus A means that is Q Hermitian. So this is the option. This is not a Hermitian, right? So in question asked what is not Hermitian, alright? Alright.